Alright,
Birds!
Yo, what are we gonna do about these damn birds?
I don't know, we gotta get rid of them.
Yeah.
Damn birds.
Damn birds.
let's figure out something out.
Alright, what are we doing?
I can't move my right arm now.
Well, you shouldn't have fallen down.
We should get rid of the birds.
Fuck the... Alright, we gotta get away from the birds.
Ah! Birds!
Yo, how do we get away from the...
What? Coming in.
It's filming. Where are the birds?
I can't see the birds from my way. I don't know, we need to get rid of them.
The birds. How you doing today, sir?
Hello, gentlemen.
Hey.
How can I help you with?
Here's some guns.
We got a bird problem.
Bird problem. The birds.
The birds.
The
The
birds.
scoops!
I heard about the birds.
We need to get them. We need it all.
What you got for me?
22s.
How old
22s. How old are you?
22.
You certainly are.
Let me get that one and that one.
And that one!
And that one.
You want this one?
Give me that. Give me them chills.
How much will that be?
It'll be $80 for everything.
Will that do?
It certainly will. Yes. All
Have a
right,
nice
gentlemen.
day. Have
Get
fun,
them
fucking
birds.
scoops. Mitch, you're gonna have to create a diversion to distract the birds.
What are you gonna use? Is that a 50mm?
Oh no, my ammo. I'll attack from the rear.
I'll go from the front.
Let's go, team. Ready? Bird.
Just like Brokeback Mountain.
Stop birds, stop birds, stop birds, stop birds, stop birds. Stop birds, stop birds.
Let's shoot shit. Here we go.
Can I get the shotgun?
Yo, weren't we supposed to be doing something? I don't know. You wanna shoot some stuff? Let's do it. Let's do it.
You guys seen Mitch?
Oh my god! Oh! Oh shit! Oh my god! The birds! Birds! Get away from him! Get out of here!
Mitch, you did it? Yeah, man. Damn. Hands in. Let's do this for Mitch.
I'm tired of these motherfucking birds in this motherfucking place.
Birds on three. 1, 2, 3. Birds!
Hey, I don't want to chicken, I don't want so kiss my butt. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so kiss my butt. I don't want to be a chicken, I don't want to be a duck, so kiss my butt.
Okay.